Okay, so now we are going to recreate the all posting transactions save search in your environment. And the first place that we're going to start is in the criteria subtab here below on the screen. The way you can think about the criteria is what are the filters of all the data, the transactional data? What do we want to filter out or include in our save search, right? So there's a couple common filter types that you might want to include in a transactional save search. So for the one, but we'll start with the filters that I'm using in our all posting transactions. So the first one, right, is posting, which we've set to be true. So what this means is non-posting transactions won't be included. So non-posting transactions are like sales orders, purchase orders, transactions like that don't have a GL impact. So we only want to see posting transactions. The next one is the accounting period. That's pretty obvious. We've set this to be this fiscal year, which is based on today's date. And then the amount we've set to basically say, hey, I don't want to see any $0 transaction lines. When we do that, that's basically we're saying, hey, we want to include everything. Well, let's say actually we want to see all of the vendor payments, the cash side of all vendor payments in this fiscal year. So we can click on this drop down. I'm going to move this over here. And we're going to say, all right, well, I'm going to look at type. So transaction type is type. So we'll select that. And then there's a couple different options here. So you can use the wildcard and say bill payment, right? Select that way. Or you can click on these double arrows right here. And then you could click it here. And then click done. Either works, and you'd click set. And so now we're saying, okay, I only want to see bill payment transactions in this fiscal year. And let's say we want to only see the cash side of the transaction. So how can we do that? Well, we can use the account type from the chart of accounts. We see account type. And again, we know that the account type is bank. So we'll set that to set. And now we can click save and run. And now we are only seeing bill payments that are impacting cash. Great. So in the next video, we're going to go over the column results and how to set these in our save search. We'll see you in the next class.